Let me ask you something real quick. If I handed you an extra $500 this month, would it actually change your life, or would it quietly disappear? Because for most people, it's not income that's the problem, it's the habits. Today, I'm breaking down 5 frugal money-saving habits that actually save you hundreds. Not the fake skip coffee once advice, but real habits that quietly stack cash month after month in 2026. And the best part? These don't require extreme budgeting, living like a monk, or tracking every penny. Let's get into it. First habit, automate your savings before you see the money. Most people save what's left. Frugal people save first. Here's the shift that changes everything. The moment your paycheck hits, a portion should disappear into savings automatically. Not later, not manually, automatically. Even $50 a week is $2,600 a year. The reason this works is simple. You can't spend money you don't see. Think of it like rent. You don't ask yourself if you feel like paying rent. It just happens. Treat your savings the same way. And in 2026, most banks let you split your paycheck into multiple accounts or auto transfer the same day you get paid. This one habit alone can save you hundreds without you feeling frugal at all. By the way, if you're ready to take control of your finances and make smarter money decisions, I've created an easy-to-understand and affordable finance course called Smart Money Foundations. It's a clear, practical system that shows you how to manage, invest, and grow your money and build long-term wealth the smart way. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Second habit, cut recurring expenses once, not daily spending. This is where most frugal tips fail. They tell you to skip coffee, stop eating out, never buy anything fun. That's exhausting. Instead, frugal people focus on recurring expenses because a $20 monthly subscription you don't use costs you $240 a year. Cancel 3 of those, that's $700 plus back in your pocket. Here's a quick exercise. Pull up your bank app and scan your monthly charges. Streaming services, apps, gym memberships, software, delivery memberships. Ask one question. If this renewed today, would I rebuy it? If the answer isn't a strong yes, cancel it. This is a one-time action that keeps paying you every single month. No willpower required. Third habit, delay purchases by 48 hours. Impulse spending is sneaky. It feels small in the moment, but deadly over time. Frugal people don't say, I can't buy this. They say, I'll buy it later. Here's how the 48-hour rule works. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 2 days. If after 48 hours you still want it and it fits your budget, buy it guilt-free. But here's the secret. About 70% of the time, the urge disappears. That $80 Amazon purchase you needed? Forgotten. That random tech gadget? Gone. This habit alone can easily save you hundreds per year without feeling restrictive. You're not denying yourself. You're filtering out regret. Fourth habit, buy quality once instead of cheap repeatedly. This is one of the most misunderstood frugal habits. Being frugal is not about buying the cheapest option. It's about buying the last version you'll need. Cheap shoes wear out, cheap chargers break, cheap tools fail, and replacing them over and over costs more long-term. Frugal people ask, will I need to buy this again? If the answer is yes, they consider paying more upfront for durability. A $120 pair of shoes that lasts 3 years beats $50 shoes replaced every 6 months. This habit reduces replacement spending, frustration, and clutter, while quietly saving money over time. Fifth habit, track only one number, your monthly leftover. You don't need complicated spreadsheets. You don't need to categorize every expense. Frugal people simplify. At the end of each month, they ask one question, how much money is left? If the number is going up, they're winning. If it's going down, something needs adjusting. This keeps you focused on results, not perfection. In 2026, simplicity beats complexity. The goal isn't to track every dollar, the goal is to keep more of them. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Frugality isn't about sacrifice, it's about intention. These 5 habits don't make you feel poor, they make you feel in control. And control is what actually builds wealth. So here's your challenge. Pick one habit from this list and start today. Just one. If this helped you, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe for practical personal finance tips that actually work. And comment below which habit you're starting with.